Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how you can make passive income. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how you can make passive income. So there are a ton of different ways to make passive income. So I'm going to explain a bit more about what passive income is, because a lot of you might have a different idea of what it actually is, and then we're going to get into the different ways and do that. And I'm going to give you the best ways at the end of this video. So the very first thing that you need to know is passive income is not like a lot of people think. A lot of people think that passive income is just, some press button thing that you get money just like that. And, unfortunately, I would love this to, be real, but it's not real. It doesn't work like that. It just will never be that way. Because, passive income does exist, but passive income is where you put up the work up front and you get paid later on. So for example, maybe you're watching this video 5 years from now or 10 years from now, and I just filmed this video once, or maybe I could get some sales from this video because I'm selling something in the description, which I won't even talk about in this video, so there's a very little chance that I will get a sale. But it will take me the same amount of work that it would take me if one person watched this video, or 1 million people, or 10 million people, or 1 billion people would watch this video. It's the same amount of work. And that's what passive income is. Basically, it's where you put up the work up front, and then it just continues to come in no matter what after. So it's not that big of a deal. So, well, it is that big of a deal because you get, money just coming in after that. But obviously it's not that simple. So there are tons of different ways to make money on, passive income. One of them is very famous, and that's called real estate. So if you buy a property and then you rent it out, people are just going to pay you every single month for them to live in that place. So if you buy multiple houses, then people will just throw money at you basically every single month. Now obviously there's a cost to that, you have to buy the house and all that jazz, but that is a great way to make passive income. A lot of people are making passive income that way, are making millions that way, but obviously they did have to invest money up front. Another one would be stocks. Stocks is passive income. You buy the stocks and then they pay you, every single month, depending on, if it goes up or down. That's not, I don't know very much about stocks. I don't invest in stocks, but, that's another way that you can make passive income. Now, what I mostly talk about on this channel is making money online and, passive income on the internet. And there's a ton of different ways that you can do that as well. For example, I made an app like years ago, and it still brings me passive income all the time because people are using that app. It has ads on it, and then I get some money from that. So that's one way that you can make passive income, is just having an app, and you get paid every single month. And some other ways could be affiliate marketing. So I'll talk about affiliate marketing, a whole lot. But, that's a great way to do that because, for example, if you have a blog or a YouTube channel and you post, all the time on them, and then you have some affiliate links, people, could buy you whatever product you're trying to sell years from now. And, you don't have to be in front of your computer or anything like that, and it works. It's the same thing if you have a big YouTube channel with over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. People will, you know, watch your videos, and you know, they'll be put ads in front of them. And that's a way that you can make passive income as well, because people will watch. Obviously, it's not going to be very easy to do that. It might take you months, it might take you years to actually get to a place that you can make passive income. So passive income is not like what most people think, but it's a great way that you can make passive income. So in my opinion, the best way is to have, you know, something that you could, you know, rely on all the time. So for example, if you have an affiliate program that, you know, pays you every single month, for example, you know, something that people pay every month, that way you get recurring income. That's a really great way to make passive income, because, you know, as long as people stay on that program, you will still continue to get paid. So that's a great way to continue to make passive income. Another one, you know, you can make some courses as well. Courses are really great, you know, you can make some money off that. And, you know, same thing, you know, if you get paid all the time, now you will have to look after customer service and all that stuff if you have your own product, but, you know, you could also hire somebody to work on that, and that's another great way to do this. So there are, you know, millions of other ways. These are just my favorite ways. You know, you could, you know, get, you know, put up a shop, you know, down the street, get employees to, you know, work on the shop, and then you don't have to do much about it. Now, obviously, all these ways you will still have to look after it from time to time. It's not like just sitting on the beach and waiting for everything to arrive, but, you know, it still is a great way, because you don't have to put up much work after that. You know, after you put up the upfront work, you don't have to put up very much work in the end. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.